Hi, in this video tutorial, you will learn how to merge multiple individual text strings into one single string using the Power Fx Concatenate function. Okay, so what is the concatenate function for? The concatenate function allows you to merge several strings into a single one. This is the syntax. Let's see some examples. I'm going to add a label here. Let's increase the font size. Okay. I'm going to remove the text. Now let's start doing some concatenations. I'm going to click here, go to the text property of the label, and then we do concatenate. Let's do Julie Johnson. See, it concatenated. Let's add a space, like that. So to do the concatenation, you just add each of the strings separated by a comma. It is the same as using the ampersand. So you could delete this, and then instead use the ampersand. Now another example, getting the currently logged user. Concatenate, hello, user, dot full name, welcome. Okay, let's save. You can also concatenate the content of text input controls. So let me add a text input here, and I'm going to add another one. Let's remove the text inside. So this is text input 1, and this is text input 2. So what we can do is to change concatenate to this text input 1 dot text, comma, let's add a space, comma again. You can add as many strings as you want, each one separated by a comma. So in this case, we are adding 3. Text input 1 dot text, the space, and then text input 2 dot text. Let's click play, and then we can add some content here in the text input controls. Let's do Keith Johnson, and there it is. You can also concatenate data from a table. So let's delete these two controls, and I'm going to add a vertical gallery and connect this vertical gallery to the products SharePoint list. Let's change the layout and the fields. Let's leave price, product, and I'm going to make it like this. Change this one to 14. Adjust like that. Now let's do a concatenation of data from this table in the gallery control. See, if you click here, products is of data type table. And then in the text label, we're going to do the following concatenation. Concatenate gallery 2, which is this one, dot selected dot product space price is, comma, the third string now, which is gallery 2 dot selected dot price. And let's add a space here also. See, since the first record is the selected one, it does notebook price is 1000. Let's save, play, and if we select another one, it is updated here accordingly to the selection. One important note, concatenate function is different than the concat function. The concatenate function allows concatenating strings, like you just saw, while the concat function is to concatenate items of a table. Let's say you have a table like this with these 5 rows. Concat can get the data of each one of them and transform into one single string. If you want to learn more about the concat function, watch the other video here in the channel, link in the description and at the end of this video. Hey, if you like this video, please click like, and if you want to learn more about Power Fx, click subscribe.